Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify risk levels using Personal Capital, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Personal Capital app or website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to the dashboard section. Locate the Investments tab on the menu. Click on Investments to view your portfolio. Scroll down to find the Asset Allocations section. Observe the pie chart that represents your current asset distribution. Identify the breakdown of different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and cash. Next, check the Investment Checkup feature. Click on Investment Checkup to evaluate your portfolio's performance. Review the recommended asset allocation based on your risk tolerance. Personal Capital will categorize your risk level as conservative, moderate, or aggressive. Compare your current allocation with the recommended allocation. If necessary, make adjustments to align with your target risk level. Return to the dashboard to see an overview of any changes. Monitor your portfolio periodically to ensure it stays within your desired risk levels. Utilize the Retirement Planner feature for additional insights. Keep track of your financial goals and adjust accordingly. Regularly review any changes in market conditions that could affect your allocation. Stay informed about your investment performance over time. This will help you maintain the appropriate risk level for your financial situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.